Let me tell you something. In my latest videos, I have gone through the work that you do when you go to self-work and spiritual awakening. Next up, I'm going to dive into what shadow work is. So, what exactly is shadow work? Have you ever wondered why certain patterns keeps repeating themselves in your life? Why some emotions feel so heavy? Or why some people trigger you so deeply? That is not just coincidence. That is your shadow speaking. Shadow work is powerful healing process of the past that you have been hidden, maybe your whole life, maybe even denied them or rejected them. These are the version of you that were silenced in childhood, shamed for being too emotional, too loud, too sensitive, or just simply too much. And so they were buried, not gone, just tucked away, waiting to be acknowledged. But what we hide doesn't disappear. It shows up in our triggers, in our reactions, our relationship, and our story that we tell ourselves. Shadow work isn't about judging those parts. It's about meeting them with love. It is about sitting with the pain instead of running from it. Hearing the inner child instead of silencing them. And allow your truth to exist, even all the messy parts. This isn't easy work. It's raw and sometimes very uncomfortable. But it is also the most liberating journey you will ever take. Because when you stop fearing your shadows, you begin to claim your power. So when the past whispers or the pain resurfaces, when the anger, the shame, or fear rise, pause. That is not a sign that you are broken. It is a call for you to come home to yourself. This is shadow work, and this is how we heal. Hope to see you in my next video.